Hi. Today I will show you how to install Wifite on Android. This video is for educational purposes only and I'm not responsible for your actions. First we need to download GNURoot Debian from Google Play Store. Now we need to update. Now we need to install Wifite. This may take a while, it depends on your internet connection. Sorry, but I don't have external Wi-Fi adapter and I can't perform any attack. If you have external Wi-Fi adapter you can hack Wi-Fi normally. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.